Our social work program at Avila focuses on the whole student. So that means we're not only providing a sound education to develop them in the profession, but we create a culture of family, inclusivity, and support for one another. So we not only give them the textbook education, but we're creating a professional development culture for students to develop their communication skills, their team skills, and ultimately their helping skills.
I chose the social work program here at Avila University because Avila has a very small class sizes, and social work is such a personal experience, and to learn how to interact with individuals, clients, families, groups, and organizations on a personal level with individualized directed instruction is very important to me because it makes the education here very specific to what we as each individual student needs.
I chose the social work program at Avila University because I value these small, intimate programs and the ability to really get to know my professors and my classmates that Avila offers. My professors and classmates here at Avila in the social work program have really shaped my experience because we're really able to lean on each other. There have been some struggles that we've all pushed through together, and we really have a good amount of communication with each other. I really feel I'm able to be open and honest and get feedback that I need to be a better student and a better social worker.
In our social work program, we have multiple opportunities for students to practice social work. One of the ways is through our student organization, where students participate in community and at Avila service projects. The projects are aimed at developing relationships with community members, whether at Avila or in Kansas City, and also teaching those valuable skills about the dignity and worth of a person in helping relationships.
The social work program here has prepared me for my future goals because it's connected me with a plethora of social workers who know what they're doing and social workers who know how to work in different fields. Social work can be client-based with individuals, groups, communities, organizations, and families. And I've just been able to meet people who can work across all of these fields, and it's really impacted how I can learn to find help if I need it.
I love Avila. I love being a professor at Avila. I love the mission and values that center on Avila's sort of the way we do things at Avila, the way we teach, the way we interact with students. Social work in general, I always tell students when they enter the social work program, they're our family. We're all in it together. We work together, we support each other. And as a professor, if I can help students understand the importance of the relationships with each other and in the community and their own well-being, then I feel like I've been successful.